एक कावळा राहत होता. तो रोज गरुडाच्या करमती पाहत असे. गरुडाचे घरटे डोंगराच्या टोकावर होते. त्यातून तो खाली झेप घेता असे व चारते. मेंढ्यातून एक मेंढी उचलून वर उडून जात असे. For a hot summer day, a crow was very thirsty. It peeped near the hill's search of water. It cold, hot, but some water to drink. There was a kind-hearted and kind king was there. Pride of famine in his kingdom was a rainy day. The dove was perched on a branch of a tree on the banks of a small brook. Alas, he found pain at being hit by the water. Here lived a lion in a forest. Near the bush lived a mouse in a pod. In a cloud went tree, whether a mother dog went less, and she found not to shelter for her down process. If she a temporary and used to go to the nearby river for it was on it where the two river to cross a tailor shop. एका जंगलात एक सिंह होता. कोल्हा त्याला बघीदार होता. ते दोघे एकत्र शिकार करता असत. सिंह शिकार करत नसे व कोल्ह्याला शिकारीमध्ये मदत केल्याबद्दल सी सहसा देत असे.